Tired of dry, lifeless hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine restoring your strands with a natural, powerful blend that not only fights hair loss but also breathes new life into damaged locks. Our red onion and black seed oil hair treatment is designed specifically for both men and women looking to rejuvenate their scalp and hair with an antioxidant-rich formula that truly works. After trying countless products, I found this blend to be a game-changer. Post-COVID hair fall left my curls dull and brittle. But with a few hours of applying this oil, sometimes overnight, I noticed my hair becoming shinier, stronger, and healthier. It's lightweight, non-sticky, and absorbs quickly, so it doesn't weigh down my curls or leave residue. Plus, I even use it on my eyebrows and eyelashes for extra nourishment. This isn't just another hair oil. It's a complete repair treatment that tackles frizz, dryness, and damage head-on. What sets this hair oil apart? It combines cold-pressed oils like black seed and castor oil to create a protective barrier against environmental damage, UV rays, pollution, and heat styling. These ingredients seal split ends, reduce breakage, and lock in moisture for smooth, manageable hair. Best of all, it's a vegan formula made in India without parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, or silicones. If you're ready to tame wild hair and boost growth naturally, this is worth a look. If that's you, someone ready to stop struggling with dry scalp, frizz, or thinning hair, this treatment offers what you need. The Wow Skin Science promise backs it up with a full refund warranty, so you can try it risk-free. Reach out to their customer service via Amazon if you have questions or concerns. They prioritize 100% satisfaction. Give your hair the care it deserves and see the difference for yourself. Try this red onion and black seed oil treatment when you're ready to restore your hair's natural strength and shine. It's a simple step that changes everything: healthy hair, less frizz, and a scalp that feels nourished. Don't settle for dull or damaged hair. Embrace the power of plant-based ingredients and enjoy your best hair days ahead.